Hello all. Today let's see how to assemble a personal computer. Assembling a PC basically means connecting different compatible components together to make a working computer. Let us first consider what is the configuration our computer should have. Let us see different combinations. Let us first try to build a budget PC for our home or personal use. There should be a CPU. Let that be Intel Core i3. There must be a motherboard. Let that be entry level B660 and the RAM of 8 GB DDR4 type. Let the storage be a SSD hard disk of size 52 GB. There should be a graphic processing unit, NVIDIA GTX 1650, a power supply unit, and the sufficient number of input-output devices, and finally a case to contain all the components. Now let us consider one more configuration. Also, let this time it for a higher-end PC. Let us have the best CPU, Intel Core i9, and the motherboard to support that one. It's a 790 from Intel. We are going for a RAM with size 32 GB, DDR5 kind. We can have a 1 TB SSD hard disk. Along with that, a 2 GB hard disk also can be used. Then a GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 4080, SMBS, a power supply unit, a 32-inch LED monitor, keyboard and mouse, and a case. Now let us go through the important steps in assembling a PC. Now prepare your CPU case or cabinet. Install the motherboard to that cabinet. Then install the processor. And there is a golden triangle. And when we hold it, it should align with the CPU socket. In both places, you can see the golden triangle, the triangle shaped edge indicated using a red arrow. And once the CPU is placed inside the socket, you can proceed with placing the heat sink over the processor. Install the RAM memory module. Then install the SMBS. Install the SSD or hard disk drive, whichever we are using. Then connect all the expansion cards. Then install the SYS or rear cooling fan. Then do all the internal power cable connections. And for the cabinet front panel connections also could be done. Then connect the rest of the devices. That means the monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. may be connected. And once it is ready, you can try booting the computer to check whether we are able to come to the BIOS screen. If you are able to come to the BIOS screen, everything is working properly. Thank you for listening.